Hey, good morning. Welcome to Puerto Vallarta. Good to see you in person. Are you ready for some property tour? Hi there. Welcome to Los Caracoles 405. This is a 2,750 square foot, 4-bedroom, 4-bath, ocean view unit in the heart of Marina Vallarta. So take a look.
Hey, hello, it's a pleasure. My name is Bernardo Elizondo. Come on in. Let's go to your next property. And here we are in Condo Chesney set. Welcome, come on in. Come on, feel the space, feel the surroundings, make yourself at home, and take a look around this beautiful place.
Hey, I'm Dan. Nice to meet you. We're going to take you up to San Sebastian to check out the next property. Welcome to Casa en las Nubes. Why en las Nubes? Because if you purchase this dream home, you're literally going to be living in the clouds. We're nestled in the valley and the mountains of San Sebastian, just outside of Puerto Vallarta. This property boasts 4 bedrooms. Right now it's set up as 3 and a studio, 3.5 bathrooms, 430 square meters developed, 1,600 square meter lot, so it's massive. And the unique part about this is it actually has a separate apartment on the 2nd level. Let's go check inside.